everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a brand new subscription box to my channel and it's the very first release of the Indy Box. It's a monthly subscription box that ships to the UK, Ireland and USA. Working with over 70 brands, the Indy Box allows you to support small up-and-coming businesses whilst discovering your new favourite brands. Inside every box you'll receive 5 beauty treats ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup, body care, beauty tools and accessories, and sizes range from full size to deluxe travel size. They offer a monthly rolling subscription which you can cancel any month, and that would cost you £25. Or if you'd like to gift this box to someone or try a one-off box for yourself, then they offer that for £27.50. The shipping cost on top to the UK is £2.95, to Ireland it's £9.50, and to the USA it's £25. As well as your 5 beauty treats, from time to time you'll receive a couple of freebies in there as well. All products are tried, tested and loved, and all boxes go live on the 1st of every month and they get shipped out around the 15th of the month. If you want to see a spoiler up front, then they release a full spoiler on their website on the 3rd of every month. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel, and they've kindly given me a code to share with you. It says, "Hi Claire, enjoy your box. Your followers can use Diary 10 from the 5th of November for 10% off your first box. Love, Becky." So all links and everything related to the subscription and this code, it's not affiliated, I don't receive anything from it, but you're welcome to use it if you want to. Then you will find that down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that will bring up my description and all links and everything will be down there. So let's get on to opening this up and showing you what's inside. So there's some leaflets here which I'll show you. I'll give you a sneak peek inside the box. There's a little leaflet in here and it details everything about the products inside the box, which I like, and it also gives you the price as well, so I'm able to tot it up at the end to give you an overall value, so I'll refer to that as we go along. I'll just read you this little message from the Indy Box. It says, "Since the beginning of the pandemic, over 32 million people have been making a conscious decision to support independent businesses. Nearly 2/3 of the population plan to continue to support them post-lockdown. We found a way for you to discover fabulous new beauty products while supporting and promoting the growth of smaller up-and-coming beauty brands. When you are an Indy Box subscriber, you will receive 5 quality products to fall in love with every month. Get ready for a revolutionary beauty box. Indie businesses are people's passion projects that they pour their heart and souls into and deserve more recognition for the fabulous work that they do to create their products. Enjoy your box and we hope to see you again next month." Okay, so the first item in the box, and we've got an eyeshadow palette. This is Smoky Classics and it's by the brand New Kid, or New CID, I think it's New Kid, London. Ooh, I can't get it out. There. So those are the shades there. Really, really pretty shades. I love that. It's like a bluey grey. That's gorgeous, isn't it? And then you've got a brush there. So let's give you some swatches. Let's try that blue. Oh, and I just realised as well, it's got here highlight, transition, sculpt, smoke and shimmer. And also here, it tells you all about placement, which is handy, Grey, that gorgeous shimmery gold, and like a neutral colour, like a matte neutral mauve type of colour. That's really pretty. So the recommended retail price for this palette is £28. Take all the guesswork out of your eyeshadow palette with this new CID. Please tell me down below, is it CID or Kid? For this new Smoky Classics eyeshadow palette with 10 universally flattering shades of eyeshadow in warm, cool and neutral tones. It's founded in 2005. New Kid Cosmetics was inspired by the experiences of real women in salons. So that's the first item in the box. Next we've got a foaming cleansing bar with green tea, tea tree and licorice, and this is by OOK. I've tried a few products from this brand. They come out with some amazing products. Yeah, I do really like it. And there's a mesh bag included. Okay. Wow. Oh, I love soaps. I'm not that keen on licorice and I'm not that keen on the scent, but I can't even smell licorice. Maybe when water is added it might like come out, the scent might come out then, but I can smell the tea tree. It just smells really nice and fresh. Yeah, it's really nice. A nice big thick clumpy soap there. And this is a little bag, so you pop it in there and you've got a foaming cleansing bar. This is actually a free gift, and the recommended retail price would be £11. It says this hard-working, multitasking bar is infused with tea tree and licorice root extract to help fight bacteria and smooth the skin. Work up a bubbling foam to help lift away impurities, gently cleansing and balancing the skin's natural oils for a brighter complexion. Oh, it's for your face. I wouldn't use it on my face. I was thinking body, but I suppose once it's rounded off, then that would be quite easy to use on my face. Yeah, I really like that. Something different, and it's a free added gift this month. Next, we got something that smells absolutely gorgeous. This is Repeat After Me, I Am Me. This is by Mallow's Beauty. It's Take a Breath, Girl, and enjoy my raspberry ripple candle to make you glow inside and out. Isn't that lovely? That is so, so cute. I love that little jar. That's so nice. You can see the big candle in there. Oh, it just smells like raspberry refreshers, or like fizzy sweets, but raspberry. Oh, that is so, so nice. What is it? Raspberry ripple. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. My daughter's going to love this. A limited edition candle by Mallow's Beauty, and the recommended retail price is £10. It says, instead of being faced with insecurities you need to fix, my products will treat your skin and mind with a positive message that you can adopt for the day, week, or forever. Now repeat after me, I am enough. I want to empower you to appreciate yourself rather than criticise. You wouldn't bully your BFF, so why do it to yourself and your body? Light your candle when you need to pick me up and repeat, I am me. So there's that. Next we've got a Sunday Ivy, and this is Microfiber Velvet Blender. Latex free, absorbs 70% less makeup. I've received one of these before. I'm not sure if it's from the same brand, but in an advent calendar, I think. Feels really, really soft, but almost fluffy. So if you've never used a makeup sponge before, they are brilliant. I use them all the time. Dampen it down, they expand, you apply your makeup, you've got more control. If you don't like a really, really heavy look, then yeah, using a sponge will give you more control over your coverage. I really do like them. I really do like it. And yeah, it's just really odd. So made by Sunday, the Big Fuzz sponge will cost you £8. Get that flawless airbrush look with a little help from Big Fuzz. The Big Fuzz absorbs 70% less product than your average sponge. Our unique velvet texture makes the sponge soft to touch, and a slanted edge makes it easy to cover all those hard to reach places. So there's that. Next we've got a pretty pink clay mask, and this is by the brand Aqua Marina Beauty. And how much we got here? We've got 50 mils here. Looks like that. Face mask that is anti-aging and moisturising, that will detoxify and cleanse your skin, leaving it bright and hydrated. Apply a generous layer to your face and neck, leave on for up to 10 minutes. The mask does not dry out, and then you'll rinse off with a clean damp cloth. Okay, just smell it. Oh. This always happens. There's no smell as such. Look at that. Nice clay there. I do love clay masks. So the recommended retail price for this is £10. We are a small business based in Berkhamsted, Hertfordshire. We truly believe in the importance of self-care and relaxation. We love this mask so much as it has all the benefits of a clay mask, purifying and cleansing, but it doesn't dry out. It leaves your skin feeling nourished and moisturised, and with cranberry, melon and strawberry extracts, it smells so good too. We hope you love using it. I couldn't smell that. I thought it's a fly. I've got a tiny, tiny, I used to call them like money spiders, if anybody else says that. Tiny, tiny little spider, and it's just been dangling here. I thought it's a fly and I was ready to whack it. But no, go on little spider, up you go. Up you go. I can't smell. Maybe once I put it on my face I'll be able to smell it then, because melons and strawberries, oh, yeah, hopefully I'll be able to smell it then. So there's that. And lastly, we've got a product by Dr. Botanicals, and this is Hemp Infused Natural Nutrition Moisturizer, and we've got 30 mils here. I've tried this before and it's a nice moisturiser. I've got a few from the Apothecary range, and yeah, really nice. I actually want to give away and I won the whole Dr. Botanicals apothecary range, and some really nice products. But all the products are natural, so if you've heard me say before, once you open them, you've got 6 months before you have to get rid of them because they have a short shelf life. Any longer and the products start to deteriorate. So that's worth bearing in mind. So which is one of the reasons I'm not going to open it up here. It's cruelty-free vegan, 98% natural. It says apply in the morning after cleansing and apply in your serum. So to buy this, it'll cost you £15.99. Our hemp seed oil and cocoa butter infused day moisturizer works to protect, nourish and hydrate skin. Hemp seed oil is known as nature's most perfectly balanced oil. It also helps to lock in moisture and reduce water loss to reveal a glowing, hydrated complexion. And if you use code IndyBox40, all in capitals, you'll receive 40% off of all of the products off Dr. Botanicals website. So yeah, so those are all the products. So I'm just going to gather them all up and I'm going to add them all up. So inside the box are 5 items, and then we've got an added extra thrown in here. So the cost of the box is £25. The value of the box without the added extra comes to just over £70, but with the added extra it comes to just over £80. So way above the cost of the box. But what do I think of the products? There's some familiar brands for me, like Dr. Botanicals and the OOK, but besides the hemp moisturizer, everything else I haven't tried before, or unless it was the same brand that I received. I had a pink fluffy one. I had a pink fluffy beauty blending sponge before. I've got an eyeshadow palette from New Kid or New CID, and that is a brand I'm familiar with, but I don't think I've received anything from that brand anywhere for a long time. I'm sure I've had makeup from them before. We've got a gorgeous little candle, and this is by Mallow's Beauty. We've got the foaming cleansing balm. We've got the Aquamarina pink clay face mask, and yeah, we've got the moisturizer then and the beauty blending sponge. I think it's a really lovely box this month. It's their release box. It's their first box ever, so obviously they want to impress and they've certainly impressed me. I just think there's a lovely mix there. I love candles in subscription boxes. I absolutely love them. It'd be interesting to see what next month's box is like. And yeah, as far as the cost is concerned, it is a little bit more pricier than some other beauty boxes, but the main aim of this box is to be able to work with small independent brands, and obviously for them to not lose out on huge price cuts from working with subscription boxes as well. I can see that and I appreciate that. Now this is their very first box they've released, so we haven't seen any previous boxes, there's no reviews, etc. If you decide to subscribe, I'd love to hear your thoughts of this box going forward. But saying that, I think the pricing to the USA, which is £25, is really high. This box will cost someone living in the USA £50, which I think is too expensive for me personally. But then saying that, if you're buying this as a gift to someone in the USA, or if you are in the USA and you're sending it to someone, whatever, you are still making money on the actual price of the products if you were to buy them all individually. All the products like came over £80, but £50 is hefty. What do you think of this box? What do you think of the fact that they're working with small indie brands? And also, is this a box that takes your fancy? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. So thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.